What's going on, guys? I'm back and we have an unboxing right now of my merch. That's some pretty cool packaging. Redbubble. I can't show the other side. It's got my address. Yo, it came with a pretty cool sticker. Came with that one too. Not bad, not bad. Alright, look at that. What? That's crazy. I don't know where I'm gonna sit this, like right here maybe? I got more in the way, but this is all this came in. Got some cases. This one's for my cousin, so that can get out of the way. This one's mine. The packaging is honestly kind of cool. This is your phone case. Thank you. It looks really cool. God. Okay. Yeah, I need some more lighting. On the camera it kind of looks red and blue right now, but it's pink and blue. It looks super cool. What? That's awesome, dude. No way. Oh, I'm so hyped right now. Okay, yeah, that's all. So that's all that came in so far. The rest is just clothes. Gotta give this one to my cousin so he can rock merch. And then, let me try this on real quick and see. Boom. Got the case in there now. Oh my gosh. This is actually sick. So big thanks to Redbubble. They did awesome on this one. Like, I'm so happy I got this. And guys, make sure to go check the description and copy yours right now, because it's from what I can see so far, it is so cool, dude. Alright, what's going on, guys? I am sorry for the terrible lighting in advance. It's pretty bad. But anyways, guys, I'm sorry. In the previous section of this video, I was being pretty quiet, and I had to be quiet. You know, I can't tell you why, but I had to be quiet for the time. But I unboxed the phone case. Hold on, where's my phone? I unboxed the phone case last time and the block, and those are awesome. They really are. I've been using them for like the past several days, and it's just amazing. And then I didn't get to unbox my clothing that came in yet because I was so excited, so I just opened it and forgot to record. But anyways, here it is right here. If you can see that. Sorry again for the terrible lighting, but this is the hoodie and it fits so good. Like, this is by far my favorite right here. The lightweight hoodie, if you go and get that, it's like so comfy. It fits perfectly for me. And I am so happy that I got it. I got a t-shirt too with this on it, but I've already worn that, and yeah, so I can't wear that again. But look at this, alright? Tell me this isn't one of the best outfits you've seen. I got this shirt on, and the shirt looks awesome, right? Okay, I got that, and then it goes with some black jeans or some joggers, whatever. And then on top of that, I got the pink and blue shoes. It's terrible lighting, but or not shoes, socks. And then there's the shoes right there. Hold up. Boom. God, that's terrible lighting. But look at the shoes, though. I got the blue and pink everywhere. So I'm just straight up matching everywhere. I got it on my phone case, so when I pull my phone out, this is like seriously one of my favorite outfits, I think, to wear. I just need a blue and pink hat now, and I'll be set. So maybe I'll add this on hats. Tell me in the description if you'd like that. But anyways, guys, that's about it for the review for all my merch. There's a lot more merch to get. I just didn't get all of it. But anyways, go check it out. The link will be in the description. And yeah, guys, peace.
Roll up my bag, wouldn't let me get high. Keep this money by my side, I had to sacrifice. She said she love me, she don't love me, that's a damn lie. I play for keeps, fuck a loss and a damn tie. Grab my lean, smoke my weed, need some more Sprite. I've been down for a while, am I